So that's not what you told me this morning.
On July 17th, 2023, officers were dispatched to Regions Bank in response to a report of a woman attempting to cash a fraudulent check.
This one?
Police identify the cashier as 20-year-old Daja Holly. Walmart employees claim she stole money from registers multiple times. Investigators confront Daja with evidence, and you'll see how that goes.
On May 27, 2023, officers were waiting outside an outlet mall for a group of shoplifters to return to their cars.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I have a debit card as well.
Are you Amanda? Okay. There's just some concerns about your driver's license.
And it's been through the
That's just
work
old.
and it's been through a ringer. It's 4 years old. It's due at the end of this month, and I'm getting my Illinois license. So.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I believe you now.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
She told me when you're out.
That hasn't been happening?
It was hard for me to cash my income tax check.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, it was hard. Yes.
Where'd the check come from?
The check came certified mail to my house,
Good.
and I had to sign it. And then I called their bank this morning. I called up there to that place up there, and she said it was approved and everything was good.
Okay.
And so I just stopped here and
Okay. So the check.
all the way because the Warner parking, service, whatever, guy had actually rear-ended me. He nicked me and shoved me off the road on the ice. Okay, and so I assumed that came from that. I didn't really know.
Okay. So you.
But I was expecting a check.
So that was 2021.
Right, but I was. So no, I'm being looked at as I've done something wrong, right?
What's wrong with the check?
We run into stuff like this all the time.
What's wrong with the check? Is it not valid?
The biggest thing is just this ID here. That's
Oh,
all.
okay.
Oh, well.
The other thing is the account for this company. It says it's closed because of fraudulent activity.
Okay, well, I just spoke to the woman this morning.
The issue is this check. You got into this accident like 2 years ago. I get lawsuits take a while.
Okay, I just
How
called her
did-
this morning, and she said everything was fine.
Who did you call?
I called Diana, the lady that owns the trucking service,
What's the name of the trucking service?
the Waller and Waller LLC. And I called their bank up there in.
Regions is telling me right now.
I'm gonna believe that thing.
Hey, Hoy.
So you-
Could you send me a picture of the thing that came with my check? It should be laying in there by the nightstand. Would you send me? I've got police all around me because I tried to cash the check. I called the bank over a check.
What's her husband's name?
Hoy White is my husband's name.
Oh,
Oh, okay, sorry.
good answer.
Joseph.
It's actually Joseph.
Hey, Amanda, go
White.
ahead and stand up front. Put your hands by your back for me. Go ahead.
Why
Go
arrest-
for it.
why
You're
arrest
gonna be
him?
under arrest for fraud, okay?
Why am I under arrest for fraud? Are you really being serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
What? No, anybody. I called their bank. Everybody's.
Okay.
Why are you calling it fraud? There ain't nothing in there. You know this. I have a big attorney.
That's fine. We do too.
I know. I'm getting picked up for something I never fucking. Awesome.
Put that back on for now. All right. I'm gonna take out to my car for now, okay?
So you're arresting me on fraud.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I know what my charges are.
Charges are also now possession of a controlled substance and drug paraphernalia. It may actually be empty. Oh, no. Is it? Yeah. Alright, so that was right here. Ice? Yeah. Fun! I love it.
Everything else in her car, in her truck?
Well, you guys are both saying it's over there.
The woman was charged with fraud under deceptive practices.
Oh, that's
There's
fine.
a camera literally right above
I
you.
know that. Of course.
So here's the times that I guess you were taking it the other days, right? The other days? Okay.
I can't see nothing. I see me taking money out. I'm calm right now because I'm trying to see what's going on.
With our confused culprit growing increasingly agitated, it isn't long until the situation escalates.
Okay.
I'm confused. Can I put my stuff back up in
No,
now?
just leave him up there.
This is my that I brought for my
I'm telling you
brother.
what happened.
I'm not talking to y'all, please.
I'm talking to you.
But I'm not talking to
You're
you.
not
I'm
gonna
talking
see
to
it.
him.
I'm telling you what happened. Okay.
Okay, but like, what?
Seen on
How
video,
am I?
taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what child seen,
Okay.
and that's what I didn't do.
Okay. Well, it's on video.
Okay, I want
It's
to
on
see the video.
Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal. Like, I'm not even from out here.
Can you work for it?
Yo, don't touch me. I gotta get my. I gotta get my stuff.
You want to get tased? You want to get tased? Get on the ground. Give me your hands.
I didn't do anything.
Put your hands behind your back or I'm gonna tase you.
Another turn.
I'm trying to, like, what the y'all just overdid it. Ooh, you just literally broke my.
32.
Oh, y'all said I'm sort of doing it. You white ass.
West Coast. Someone else stay in there. Yeah, for West Coast, I'll put you on it.
32 is no rush. You're good.
You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
No.
Okay.
How about we cover that up so it doesn't bleed all over, okay? Sounds good?
Looks like our suspect is getting her mani cured. Let's jump ahead. Officers arrive with those belongings.
He's gonna make sure there's no weapons in it.
Did you catch that? In true Walmart fashion, let's roll that back. Police discover another $100 bill in the suspect's purse. And that's not all.
Oh, that is mad.
Take a shit.
Can I go through it myself?
Nope, you're in custody right now.
I'm trying to help you.
I found it. Pink hair. There you go. Print that out and bring it to court and then you
But that is.
We'll bring it too. We'll bring it too.
What you mean? Bring it. That is mine. I have a bill to pay, and that's why I took it out of my transaction.
I've seen nothing.
And as for those fake IDs,
Get it out of your bank account. You show that transaction.
I mean,
These are pretty good.
Alright, that car's gonna go into lead for DUI hold and for owner not being present. And then
I don't know. That one looks kind of fake, honestly.
It looks, I don't know.
you can tell it's fake because it's the picture. Okay, bro, leave me alone, bro.
Stop getting on the watch.
I'm trying to test my whole.
You'll be able to make calls once you
I
get
don't
down to
have
jail.
to know. I can make a call now.
No, you can't.
All right. Hey, Lopez.
Did you park car?
Deja is led out to a patrol car, taken to jail, and booked for theft, aggravated assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. She later pled not guilty to the.
he has nothing to do with this, right? No. 54 on him. Let him go.
No, está bien, señor. So we're still missing one?
Yeah, he has a white shirt.
Okay.
54, we're just 10-12 with the two females. We're looking for the male portion of the incident.
We do
The other one?
it looks like 2 pairs of shoes each. Okay.
Do you have an ID?
No.
You don't have an ID? A floor ID? Any kind of ID? An ID from anywhere? You want me to reset up over there for that?
Yeah, just run this for now.
Echo 84 back. Copy 1029P. My name and date of birth. I'm student.
10-4.
I told you to stop them. When you saw us, it looked like he was about to start sprinting.
Yeah, well, yeah, and then I asked Trevor. Trevor's like, I could
Make it allow. Or Jane Doe. And then it's going to make it really hard for you to get out of there.
Vas, sentate ahí.
We were talking.
Yeah, that's fine.
There is a male with a white shirt and blue and gray hat walking up to the car parking lot right now.
We can try to figure out that echo.
Tempo. Stand up. And we're gonna be 10-12 with all parties.
10-4, 55.
Yes, sir. Trying to verify who you are. All right. Listen to me. Just stop hugging for a second. Your first name is spelled Jessica.
No, Jessa.
Jess.
ICA.
Yeah, Jessi.
What does it mean when you guys say booster groups? Organized, and then I usually have the bags lined with. Shoes.
All Nike or?
Yep. The looks of it.
You want to talk to them?